In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how you can retire off $100,000 utilizing LEAPS options. Now, LEAPS options are long equity anticipation securities, or in layman's terms, call options that expire in 365 days or more. Now, what's cool about LEAPS options is that they are basically like synthetic stock. You can basically take control of 100 shares for 25% of the cost, sometimes 30% of the cost. So you're having less capital requirement. This is great for people with, a smaller amount of capital that want to participate in, great companies, but don't quite have enough for 100 shares. This is also great for people with bigger accounts who want to get some exposure, but don't want to just purchase 100 shares outright. So I'm going to show you in this video the safest strategy to generate over $90,000 a year with LEAPS options, right? So almost 100% return on your money every single year. And then I'm going to show you super risky strategies, right? I'm going to show you more riskier stocks that you could do LEAPS options on. And we'll do some back testing with a back testing tool to see which stocks perform better. Now, remember, there's always a risk in the stock market when investing your money. That's why people get paid for the amount of risk they take. But I'm going to show you the safest strategy that can yield about $96,000 a year with back testing to show you the proof. And then I'm going to show you some more riskier stocks that people have made millions on with just $100,000 in LEAPS call options. So let's go ahead and jump into it. As you can see, my current portfolio is at $666,000. And this is an option strategy that I actually recently implemented into my portfolio, is purchasing LEAPS options. So if you want access to my free stock picks and options plays directly in your inbox, go ahead, click the very first link in the description. That's going to take you to my free newsletter. Also, if you have any questions throughout the video, you can either comment them down below or DM me directly on Instagram. It's Ryan Hildreth. I have that in the description. I answer all my DMs and all comments, but I would love to talk with you more personally. And I want you to see, if you're curious about my personal life, you could see that on Instagram. Now, remember, this is not financial advice. This is just me showing you exactly how I've built my wealth utilizing options. So let's go ahead and dive into it. Now, the very first stock, or ETF rather, we're going to look at for purchasing LEAPS options, LEAPS call options, is QQQ. This is going to be one of your safest bets. You're going to have enough growth versus just the S&P 500. You're going to have enough growth, but you're going to have also diversification. So QQQ mirrors the NASDAQ 100. It's the top 100 companies, primarily tech companies, but there are a few companies in there that aren't tech companies like Coca-Cola, right? But this is going to be a large basket of great companies in the United States that are basically outperforming the stock market. So we're going to go ahead and utilize LEAPS call options on QQQ. I'm going to show you personally, this is my account, one of my accounts, but this is one of them that I show live on YouTube. And I personally have 4 LEAPS call options on QQQ, okay? Now, in order to purchase 400 shares of QQQ, that would have costed me around $200,000. But this only cost me $29,000. So I'm controlling the same amount of shares, right? Which is 400, but I only had to pay $29,000, or let's just round up and say $30,000 to control those shares, which is less than a quarter of the cost of actually purchasing $200,000 worth of shares. So it's pretty cool. I'm controlling these contracts that expire in 413 days. And basically all I have to do is just wait and let QQQ do its thing. It obviously has to go up for me to make money. This is a directional trade. But as you can see, I entered this trade last week and I'm already up $728. So this is great. And I already knew that QQQ was going to go up. Now, what are the cons of LEAPS call options? Well, the cons is that there's time decay. So every day that goes by, this option is going to decay about $1 or $2 per day, okay? So it is decaying, so that means the stock does have to go up in a reasonable amount of time in a year for me to actually make money on these. Okay, that's the first con. Now, the second con is that you are paying a premium to basically own this contract, to control this contract. Now, again, this is actually, in my opinion, a pro because we're controlling 400 shares for a fraction of the cost. Another pro is that at the end of the day, by 413 days, once this contract expires, worst case scenario, if the stock is trading at 480, it didn't go up from here, maybe it's trading at 500, I have the right to buy the shares at $480. So this options contract gives me the right to buy the shares at the strike price I select. So I'm still getting a discount on the shares. So let's go ahead and dive into it, how we would actually perform the trade and what it would look like on a backtesting tool based off of how we're doing it. So first I'm going to show you exactly what I would do. So I would go out 365 days or more. You can go out to December 19th, 2025. That's at the end of next year. Or you could go out further like I did to 2026. In fact, you could go to the end of 2026 if you want. The only caveat is you're going to be paying a higher premium because there's more extrinsic value or time value, right? So you're just paying for more time. So if you want to be the most capital efficient, you will go as close to 365 days as possible. So let's go to December 19th, 2025, right? And you will go to the 70 delta call. Now, what that means is for every dollar that QQQ moves up, you're going to make 70 cents, right? But as this call gets further in the money, right, as QQQ goes up, this call will become a higher delta. And at one point, it may become even 80 or even 99 delta. So it's moving basically one for one with the stock, like a synthetic stock position. As you can see, like if we keep going down, the 279 call option is a 95 delta. So it's moving 95 cents per dollar QQQ goes up, right? But we want to be most capital efficient. These ones are going to cost you a lot of money. So the 279 is going to cost you about $24,000 versus the 70 delta, okay, is going to cost you $7,000. So it's more capital efficient and you're getting a good kind of movement with the stock. So what I would do is I would select the 480 call option. I would click right here and I'm going to basically pay $7,400 to own one of these call options, okay? So boom, I own that. And then for every dollar that QQQ goes up, I'm going to make 70 cents. So this is great, right? This is great. So you're basically getting leverage on the stock by owning the LEAPS option. Now let's play this out. Let's back test this and see how much we would have made in the past 2 years purchasing these LEAPS call options. So we're going to go over here to Tasty Trade. This is just one of my other portfolios. And we're going to use their back testing tool. So we're going to go to QQQ. The interval is going to be the past 2 years, all right, since November of 2022. We're going to buy a call option, one contract, every 365 days, right, 70 delta. And we're going to run the back test, okay? So that is about $48,000 profit per contract, which is 199% return. Now, that's only $24,000 in used capital, right? So you could have purchased 4 of those contracts. So I'm actually going to go back and we're going to do the math there, or we're just going to type in 4 contracts, right? Because we have $100,000, 4 contracts. All right, we're going to run the back test. And as you could see, all right, we would have made $194,000. So let's do the math on how much we would make per year. So $194,000, right, divided by 2 years, that would have been $97,000 in profit every year, right? So for the past 2 years, you would have made $97,000 on your 100K, which is great, right? That is a huge return. Now, if you were to just buy and hold QQQ, you would have only made a 75% return or $72,000. So you can see the difference between holding a LEAP, right, which is a leverage product. You're getting more, you're using basically less capital to control more shares, right? And you're getting a bigger return. Now, again, there's risk in that. You can lose the premium you paid for it, but the stock would have to go down significantly, like a bear market for a year or two. That's why we go out 365 days or more in time to be right on the trade. And you can close out this trade at any point in time at a profit, okay? So that's exactly how to do it on QQQ. Now let's do a riskier stock just so we could see like how that would look. So let's test out Nvidia, okay? I think Nvidia would be a good, you know, a good test. So let's go ahead and buy like, let's just see one contract and see how that works out, okay? So we're gonna run the back test. So we would have made about $39,000 or 913% on capital. That is absolutely wild. So we're actually going to, because that's only $4,000 in capital used, but let's just say we only purchased 15 contracts. Let's do the math there on how much money we would have made. So 15 times $39,000, 646 in profit per contract, we would have made $594,000. So we would have made over $500,000 divided by 2 years, okay? That's about $297,000 per year. So you would have made 3 times, almost 4 times as much as you would on QQQ because you took more risk. You bought LEAPS options on a riskier asset, a more volatile asset, right? And you got paid for that risk. So I'm glad that we did this back test together. If you want me to do another back test on a different stock, comment below which back test you'd like to see in the next LEAP option video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.